I am cooking Sunday dinner, y'all. So we are having fried chicken, mashed potatoes, sauteed green beans, and a wet cake. And yeah, let's put this cake in the oven so I can season my chicken. Most of it out as much as possible. Sauteed green beans, y'all, with peppers, onion, and roasted garlic. So the garlic is done. I just put the cake in, and now I'm about to season my chicken after I wash the dishes. Milk, sour cream, hot water, butter, salt, pepper. Alright guys, dinner is done. I am about to plate my food. We got our green beans sauteed with onions and peppers and garlic. And we got our nice creamy mashed potatoes with butter, sour cream, salt and pepper, and we have our nice cooked chicken. And I think I'm gonna have, oh yeah, nice croissant with it. That is dinner, guys. Fried chicken, creamy mashed potatoes, green beans, and I have my cake in the oven. I'll show you that later. Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing? I am Michelle from Michelle Home. I wanted to welcome you guys. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, that like, okay, if you like it. I am up. I haven't been on here since when? Sunday. I was tired, y'all. I did that. I cleaned up the weekend, reset my entire house, bathroom, deep clean the bathroom. I want to refresh my bathroom because it's boring. But I don't want to do a lot. Like, I don't want to do a whole lot. I want to do like shower curtain, maybe new rugs, maybe a little reasonable wood stand in there with a new garbage can and cup holder and stuff, like maybe some to brighten it up, because it is so bland, y'all. It is so bland in there. But yeah, like I said, I definitely wanna oh, I'm making this like yeah, I definitely wanna freshen it up, because it really don't, that bedroom, I don't care. I really don't care. But that bathroom, when I have company, I just want it to look better. Guys, I am back home from work. About to clean this fridge out. I better do it now because I'm tired. So that's what I'm about to do. That's all I'm doing today is this refrigerator. And then we'll go grocery shopping maybe Friday or Saturday. I'm not sure. So that is so far, y'all. That's how it looks so far. Gotta put the doors in, the rest of my food, so let's get it to it. Alright, y'all, I done finished the top. It is bare as bare can get. But we're going grocery shopping this weekend, so I'll show you my grocery haul. I'm doing the freezer, the drawers out. Yeah. Okay, I am done. The fridge is nice and clean. Everything is where it's supposed to be. My freezer, my ice, my veggies, and then my meats. And yeah, everything is back to how it's supposed to be. How it looks up there. Okay. Got me some old-fashioned dish towels. And ooh, they are still dingy. Gosh. Oh, yeah, I'm not gonna use these, y'all. I gotta get some new ones. I don't like using dingy stuff for my decor, so they just need washing again. Which is fine. I'll just put them in my. Do I got a room for them? Yeah, I got room for it. So is it. I am going to put my dishes up, and then I got a sweep. Other than that, I am done, guys. I might pick you back up because I am hungry. I might fry me a little bologna sandwich. I know y'all love, my old school people love that fried bologna, so hold on.
They think they so cute. Yes.
Listen, fried bologna. So I am done. I made me a bologna sandwich. Fried bologna on toast. With bread. That's it. That's all. That's dinner. Okay. Let me turn this down. I got my grandson. I'm finna go get my baby girl. And then we're going to eat at El Greco's, honey. That is one of my favorite spots. That's reasonable and the food good, okay? Yeah, we finna go. You have been there. You and your mama, we took all of y'all one time. It's been a while, but you've been there. Yeah. We finna go there and eat up a storm. Guys, we are here at Chili's getting some dinner. Let me turn this around. Guys, I got a watermelon spritzer margarita. Alright, y'all, this is our plate. Honey chipotle mozzarella sticks. What's this? Some big mouth bites. Chicken strips. She got fries and pizza. She got chicken, and egg rolls. Alright, y'all, I am home from work and picking my babies up. I want to show you guys what I got. I'm home. These candles. Paper candles from General Wax. They were $7.99. And then I got these gorgeous babies right here. They were $9.99. Sandalwood, and musk. Let me show you that. They got a pizza. Just for the night, dinner for the night. I'm going to the grocery store tomorrow. And some chicken strips. And what is this? Poppy? Orange poppy. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm done for the day.